So you've hit rock bottom and you don't know where to go. You don't know what to do. You don't know who to talk to. You might ask, who am I talking to? I'm talking to any man who's between the ages of 18 to 29, 18 to 30. Anybody who has gone through some things as a man and they are struggling to bounce back and find their true self, find their inner peace, find their purpose, find whatever it is they may desire, even if they don't know what they desire. I'm speaking from experience. I've went through a rock bottom stage myself, currently dealing with one. That's why I'm making this video, because it's actually helping with my problems, my anxiety, the issues that I'm having. So I'm basically making this video to give some tips to anybody else who is going through some rock bottom stuff. So if that's you, this video is definitely for you. Tip number one, I would say, is create a routine. Find something that motivates you throughout the day that you can complete and you can accomplish, that you can start to feel good about yourself again. Whether it's, I'm gonna wake up every day at 6 in the morning and just do that. Even though that sounds simple, that's a routine. You're creating a routine. You're starting to build structure back up. You may be in the bed laying down all morning. You may be in the bed all day, not doing anything. But if you give yourself that goal and say, hey, I'm gonna create a routine, I'm gonna wake up at 6 in the morning, that'll start the building block for you to be great again, for you to be successful again, for you to start getting out of that rut and out of that rock bottomness. Let's say you do wake up at 6 in the morning. Once you wake up at 6 in the morning, create another goal. I'm gonna wake up at 6 in the morning, I'm gonna make my bed. I'm gonna wake up at 6 in the morning, I'm gonna make my bed, I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna cook breakfast. So now your whole day is planned. You're building these steps to go through your whole day. Whatever it may be, it doesn't have to be 6 in the morning. You may have a different schedule to where you may have to wake up at a different time. The point is, create a routine. If you feel like you need to get back in the gym, you feel like you lost touch with your body and you need to work out more, create a routine for that. Block out some time throughout your schedule and say, hey, I'm gonna use this time throughout the day. I'm gonna go work out, I'm gonna go to the gym, or I'm gonna stay home, I'm gonna do push-ups, I'm gonna do sit-ups, I'm gonna do cardio, whatever it is that you like to do physically, workout-wise, you wanna start establishing that. Same with your mental. If you feel like your mental's foggy, if you feel like your mental's cloudy, if you feel like you haven't been yourself, for one, try to do something creative. Try to draw, try to write, try to paint, try to do anything creative. Make music, write a song, whatever you think that you like to do creative, try to do that. And I guarantee you, your mental problems, your anxiety will start to go away in that moment. You'll be less clouded. You'll be able to think. You'll be able to focus. You'll be able to finish that project. You'll be able to hone in on where you're really supposed to hone in at. A lot of the issue is we sit here and we focus on the technical details. We focus on things that aren't important, which causes a lot of stress. We focus on these jobs that we really don't care about. We focus on this life that we see on social media that we really don't care about. But we don't focus on ourselves. We don't focus on our brain. We don't focus on our body. And we don't focus on our relationships. If you're in a relationship that you've been stuck in for some years, months, weeks, whatever it may be, if you're with a woman that you feel that's not helping you be the better you and push out the best energy that you need to be productive as a man, if she's putting you down, if she's not helping you become that better man, not saying she has to do everything for you to be a good man, but you want to be with a woman that supports you, that holds you high, and that can help you be a better you with the things that she can do. And if you're not getting that, don't be afraid to leave. And you might know deep down inside that it's time to leave, and you might be afraid and you might be scared. But guess what? If you want to get out of this rock bottomness, this is going to be a part of something you may have to do. If you found the woman that you think might be the right woman for you, and she provides the values and she's going to help you become a better man, don't sit there messing up your brain trying to figure out how to talk to her, or, if you should talk to her. If you know she might be the right one, step out on a limb and give it a chance. Create some confidence and go get that, because she might be somebody else's by the time you're ready. And I would say that's another important thing you want to realize as a man. You want to have confidence. We want to create confidence. We want to have confidence to speak to people every day. Try to give everyone a compliment. And don't expect anything back from this, but this is going to make you feel better in the long run. Just start talking to random people. Walk around, go to the mall, go to the store. When you're at the store, when you're at your place of business, wherever you're at, picking up your kids from school, wherever you may be in life, you're at school, college, talk to people, give them a compliment. Hey, I like your shoes. Hey, I like your hair. Hey, I like your nails. Even a guy, hey bro, I like your shirt. Hey bro, I like your earrings. Whatever it may be, whatever you might be that you like, you might not really like it, but you just want to get yourself in that mode of complimenting, talking to people, because it's going to create a confidence and it's going to create an atmosphere within yourself that, hey, I'm able to talk to anybody, I'm able to deal with anybody, and I'm able to deal with any problems and anything that I have going on in my life. But if you're really at the rock bottom and you've tried all these things that I've suggested, and none of these things are working, last but not least, try self-isolation. That would probably be the most important thing of everything I'm telling you, is self-isolation. I'm currently doing that myself. Self-isolation means, hey, friends are calling you, friends want to hang out, friends want to go out, girls want to hang out, girls want to go out, whatever it may be. You ignore those calls, or you tell them politely, hey, I'm trying to find me. I'm trying to get out of a situation. I'm trying to become a better me. And I got to lock in. I got to focus. When you're in self-isolation, you'll be able to easily practice all these tips and these suggestions that I'm giving you without the distraction of, hey, I'm trying to, stay home and read a book, but I have my homie calling me and he wants to play the game, or he wants to go out, or he wants to go drink. You don't have time for that right now. Whether it's a couple weeks, whether it's a couple months, whether it's half a year, practice some self-isolation. Really get to know yourself and love yourself. And when you're in this self-isolation, I want you to do one thing. I want you to really dig deep. When you get in self-isolation, I want you to do one thing, one important thing. Lock in and go deep into your mind. Think about any trauma, any things that you may have, that your brain may have hidden from you in your subconscious. Think about any traumatic or difficult thing that may be causing anxiety, that may be causing that rut that you're in, that rock bottomness that you're in. Deal with it. Cry, laugh, smile, be afraid, be shy. Whether it's from years ago, whether it's recently, I'm telling you, this is going to help. And if you can't just sit there and think about it mentally, write it down. Studies show that when you write down your traumatic experiences, they're going to be very beneficial. It's going to be very beneficial for you in the long run. So this is only a little bit of the tips and the wisdom I'm going to give right now. Like I said, I just wanted to make this video because I've been struggling with stuff, and I know there's plenty of other men my age range, I'm 26 years old, that are going through things. And I just want to let you know you are loved, you are supported, and you're not alone. Practice these tips and comment and let me know if they work for you. And comment and let me know if you want some more videos, any more tips, any more guides, any more motivation. It's your boy J3, and I'm out.